pistachio bonbon. In this video is intensive pistachio. Pistachio ganache with pistachio feuilletin crunchy. So you will enjoy the cremoi of pistachio and the crunches of the pistachio. Both is give you a nice flavor, and we have little touch with pistachio. Never forget the taste. As we do in all videos, 100 gram cacao butter, 10 gram chocolate color, whatever you have, green, yellow, black, yellow, red, orange, name it. Then we tempering the cacao butter, then we spray. Here I use two techniques in the same mold: golden and I make stripes, and red and I make stripes. So easy way to do the mold. As I always say, the imagination is yours. The sky is the limit. So tempering chocolate, as I always also say, I spray the all mold and I make all ganache 24 hours before I modeling the mold. So this is second day. I spray yesterday. Today I fill the mold with the tempering chocolate. I shake it to take all the bubbles and air. Leave it 50 to 60 seconds in room temperature. It's mean 18 Celsius. And then when it crystallizes, I make the formula: 60 gram melted white chocolate, 20 gram pistachio powder, and 40 gram feuilletin. If you want to do the feuilletin, the recipe in the description box below. But feuilletin. What we do now, we spread on top of the silbat sheet for 1 millimeter, then we keep it in the fridge. After that, we cut it small pieces to fill into the mold. So I have pistachio crackers, or we can say it crunchy pistachio, and then I have pistachio ganache, which we're going to do now. It's very important to make all one size. Here we go: 100 gram fresh cream. Then we added 40 gram pistachio paste. And pistachio paste, depending about how quality it is, you can little bit extra, but not less than 40 gram of pistachio paste. Then we have, this is actually is good brand I use from Valerona. And now I have 5 gram honey. The honey and 1 gram cinnamon. Honey, pistachio, cinnamon with fresh cream. We simmering, that means we make it in low fire, so the fresh cream takes the flavor of the cinnamon and honey with pistachio, which really delicious aroma. Here we go. Normally I boiling for 5 minutes, then I cover it for 20 minutes. After that I boiling again, and then I put on top 230 gram white chocolate. You can see I have to help the hand blender. 6 gram cacao butter, pinch of color. It's up to you, but I prefer to put little bit of green color just to give you the feeling of the pistachio. Then I use hand blend it for 3-4 minutes to make the ganache very smooth and very creamy. Later on, I added 25 gram of normal butter, and here we go. I pour into container, I cover it, I leave it 24 hours before I use. Now I can fill my mold with the pistachio ganache. I shake it. So to make, you can see it's very smooth and one level. And then I added the crunchy biscuit. And this, the combination you will never forget. Something so creamy, something crunchy, and both by pistachio. And the pinch of cinnamon inside the ganache with honey is really make you never forget the pistachio ganache. As you can see, I cover it all with the crunchy. Then other type, so I give you other technique. What we do here is I caramelize pistachio with the sugar only. After that, I crush the small. So you have two techniques. You can make it base with the fruiting, or you can make it caramelized chunks. And we cover it with the chocolate tempering. We keep it in the fridge for 25 minutes. And then we have the most delicious intensive pistachio. I hope you love this video, and please share it with your friend and leave comment to us.